Hello, everyone. This is a listening and speaking practice through reading. The topic is sharing with others. All of us have friends. We have many things in common with them. All of us have friends. We have many things in common with them. That's why we have a lot of bits to share. Sharing makes us feel closer to someone. Sharing is a bond as a bridge between two mountains that both of the mountains share and get connected. There are some questions here. Do you feel you should share with someone? The answer is almost always a yes. Yes, we should share with others, the people around. Question number two is, what should we share with someone? The answer given by a friend is, we share in two ways. One way is to share for our own selves as we share our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. On the other hand, we can share the things for others' needs and benefit as helping hand, time, money, food, books, and thousands of items. Here arises another question. When we share things with others, do they benefit them only? The answer is, given by a scholar, no. In any case of sharing, we get benefits for ourselves. When we give something to someone in need, that is our good deed. Good deeds always pay back in the form of great benefits. When we share our thoughts, we get some solutions to our problems. But when we share things to help someone else, that help always makes us feel happy and reward comes back unexpectedly. Here's a question for all of you. Just answer in simple points in the comment box. How do you decide before sharing anything to or with someone? So, what are the points in your mind? How do you decide before sharing anything? Send me in the comment section. I'll be waiting for that. Thank you.